In this video, I'm going to show you the best free Android screen recording app. This app will record in full HD and in 60 frames per second. As you can see right there, you can record in 60 frames per second, giving you an amazing screen recording quality. So I'm actually using this one myself as well. You can actually record internal audio as well with the screen recording app. And right now I'm just going to show you how you can use this and what the app is called, of course. So as you can see right there, you can actually record in 1920 x 1080. You can use 60 frames per second, which is amazing quality. You can also record internal audio right there. Internal audio only from Android 10 Plus. So if you are above Android 10 Plus, then you can record internal audio as well. You have a bunch of different settings. You can use a countdown before you start filming. You can also change that manually yourself. 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds, 20, whatever you want. I'm gonna leave it at 3, which is enough for me. And you can check out all of these different settings. You can change the output. You can do a lot of different stuff on this app. And yeah, I've been using this for all of my videos recently, and you can tell by the quality that it's actually pretty decent. I'm actually recording with it myself right now as well. Now this app is called AZAT Screen Recorder, which you can find in the Play Store. So search for AZAT Screen Recorder and download this app. You don't need any root. You can record in full HD, 1080, 60 frames per second, so it's an amazing quality. But yeah, that's pretty much, in my opinion, the best free Android screen recording app. If you're gonna use this, let me know in the comments down below. Leave a like on this video, subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.